Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in to another video on my channel. I'm Sarasu TCG, your usual host. We are here with another opening video, the newest released set, Photon Hypernova. Oh my god, there are actually a lot of good cards in here, and also some cards I need. But before we get too deep into the topic, I'm gonna open this real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, here we have it, the usual 24 packs per display with 9 cards per pack, so it's a core booster set. We're gonna start right off with the first pack, of course. So I'm searching mainly for the Generaider cards. Oh, here it is. The first Generaider card, very nice, because I want to build a Generaider deck. And definitely need this one. This is probably the best supporter for the Generaiders of the new and the Xyz monster. So hopefully we get the Xyz Generaider monster as well, because it's very important to get it. Bioinsektenpanzer, Wilder Tiger Mongu. This is probably an upgrade version of the King Tiger Wanghu. Entfesselte Bösaugen und enormer Schwarmherrscher 6 Stagger. Okay, super red. Bisaltris, Vertrauter des Bürgersages, okay, Eiserne Manifestation, Kastiero-Knall und Abgrundschauspieler, super Produzent. Okay, Vala goes to the side because we need that for the deck, as I said. Also some Starlight rares are in here, as far as I can remember from the internet. Yugioh, oh Gott, Abgrundschauspieler, Freiheitsautorin, Kern des Chaos, New Chaos Support is also in here, very nice. Yaguramaro, der Panzerungsninja, and gigantischer Champion Sargas, the first SiCaTra. Interesting. Alright. I don't know if he's good or bad or whatever. Tenchi Kaimei, Manticore des Aufschlagens. And the evolution of Manticore of Darkness. Sadi von der Silberschwingangst und Meteorsturz Monocroid. Okay. Alright. So, and Casimola. Alright. Schreckensklaue Kastiere. Bioinsektenpanzer, Tränenklagen Perlegia. And Star Brigade Waffen Bouquetverlust Number 2. Oh my god. Link 5. Oh. Abgehörliche Baldrachling. Minairuka. Alright. Dolphin. High Dolphin. Chaos Beast and Kastiro. Let's continue. Markiert Wiederfahren. Alright. Photon Zeitstoff. Yugioh. Numeron Schöpfung. Oh, that's the Numeron Drag. And Pharaonische Ankunft. Oh, that looks cool. Very nice. Love to see cards with the Egyptian flair to it. Very nice. Unendlicher Ameisenlöwe. Minauruka. Whatever. Fokussierter Wasserspiegel und Photonenkaiser. Oh, nice. Photonenkaiser. For the Galaxy Eyes Photon Dragon Archetype. Another Vala, very nice. Need that, definitely. Dynamondo. Okay. Wilder Tiger Mongo again. Diabolant ist die bedrohliche Gottesanbieterin. Oh, okay. And Feenameise, der Kreiszauberer. Interesting. Xyz Angleichung, Basiltris, Vertraut des Bürgers, aus Licht der Markierten, and Tenchi Kaimei. KK. As long as I get the Xyz Generaider one, I'm happy. Don't need anything else here. Chaos, Sinnesdeutschung, Feuerfrei, Springens, Entfesselte Bösaugen, bedrohliches Herz, Samonit. This is actually a pretty good card. We played at the pre-release event or sneak peek event, and you get 5 boosters there. And we played a little draft there, and this is pretty OP, that thing. And Schmetterlingskönigin Darnaus, nice. Basaltries, Grundstücksspekulation, Tenji Kamei und Abgrundschauspieler, Superproduzent. Super Producer. Wie Gott, Kaschtierüberlappung, Jaguramaro, der Panzerungsniger, Galaxiebeschwörer, Photon Z-Stop and... Oh, what's that? Rindsbrumm, der zuschlagende Drache. Okay. Der Rindsbrumm, Brumm Brumm. Hülle des Chaos, nice. Sari von der Silberschwingaxt, unendliche Ameisenlöwe und riesiges Ballspiel. Oh, that's a pretty old monster there. Das ist die Basic Insect from LOB. A long time ago. Basic Instinct, Basic Insect, not Instinct. Hoppla. Casimona Agent, Dynamondo, Abgrundskript, dramatische Geschichte, Kreis der Feen, Arctos 12, Chrono Kluft Waylands. Oh my god, what is that? Yep, looks strange. Abgehörliche Balldrachling, Chaos Ungeheuer, Galaxie 100 und Meteorsturz Monocroid. Oh, das wäre hart. So, Abgrundschauspieler, Freiheitsautorin, markiert widerfahren, Wahl, nice, another one. Gotta place it now, Chaos, Sinnestäuschung, Chaos, Trugbilddrache. It looks nice. I take it. Sorry Verspätung, rote Essig-Eiltransport. This is not a bad card. Schreckensklauen, Krallen ziehen, gigantisches Donnerkreuz und fokussierter Wasserspiegel. A pair of aces. This is a little bit of a gamble card. You have to flip a coin, and whatever the coin lands on which side, and either you or your opponent draws 2 cards, so it's a bit risky. Casimoda, Nummer und Schöpfung, Abgrundskript, dramatische Geschichte, and Orphestia, der harmonische Stierkämpfer-Barde. Oh mein Gott. Okay, Beast Warrior. Okay, I don't know. Unendliche Ameisenlöwe, Xyz Angleichung, Manticore des Aufschlagens und again this thing. This is actually pretty good. If you activate it, you can send back all cards in the same row, then this card back to the hand, and the zones cannot be used as long this card is face up on the field. So a little bit like Infinite Impermanence, but just different effect. So, Galaxy Summoner, Dynamondo, Diabolantis, Trainingsklagen Perlegia und Goldstolz, die Menge spielt verrückt. Okay. The second secret rare. Gold Pride, probably. Something with a horse race or whatever. Probably. Tenji Kamei, fokussiert auf Wasserspiegel, Galaxie 100 und Yugioh, der Gravitationsninja. Kreis der Feen. Abgrundskript, Gischgigraum, Nymphosleve Zone, and oh, that's nice. Apophis, the Swamp Goddess, probably. Oh, that's a Odeon card. Very cool. It's pretty powerful too. Reptile, level 6, 2000 ADK and 2200 defense. Oh, that's cool. That's pretty cool. Gonna need this also for another deck of mine. Schreckensklauen Krallenziehen, Metallempfänger, Hülle des Chaos und Xyz Angleichung. Und oh, Also good card, bedrohliche Sets, Summonit, Vala, but we have already 3 now. Chaos Sinistertäuschung, Wilder Tiger Mungo, and Goldstolz Nitro Sprenger. Oh my god, what is that? It's a Chin of the Lamp, blasted into space, probably. The Super Producer, Mental whatever, Yugioh, and the Photon Kaiser. Casimona-Lagen, ein Parse, Gischke-Nekrospiegel, markiert wieder vorn, ein dimensionaler Allotrop Varis. Remember this too from the sneak peek. Dies hier ist Ballspiel, Manticore des Aufschlagens, XC-Angleichung und die Grundstücksspekulation. Kashira Überlappung, markiert wieder vorn, Yagura Maru, Kern des Chaos und Chaos Truppe doch again. Nice. Give me these Chaos Monsters, mentale Empfänger, Lichter markiert, gigantisches Donnerkreuz und Yugioh der Gravitationsninja. Gischke Nekrospiegel, Galaxiebeschwörer, Kern des Chaos, Yaguromaru and Chaos Witch. Oh nice. Give me all the Chaos Monsters, Chaos Beast, Sari, Inairuka and riesiges Ballspiel. Und Photonen-Zeitstopp. Schreckensklaue Kastiragen, Chaos Sinistertäuschung, Casimola und Goldstolz Kapitänin Carrie. Oh mein Gott. Alright. Schreckensklauen, Krallenziehen, Grundstückspekulation, fokussierter Wasserspiegel und gigantisches Thunder Cross. Gigantic Thunder Cross. Don't know if this is the correct English translation. Feuerfrei, Gischgegrauen, Abgrundschauspieler, Tränenklage und Plünderpatrouillenschiff Jurt. Alright. It's a Synchro, Pendel, whatever. Grundstückspekulation, Photon Kaiser, the Ameisen Thing, and the Monochrome. That's also very interesting. In the battle phase, if in that turn where 5 or more attack declarations, then you can special summon this card from your hand. Interesting. Oh, very good one. Summonit Dynamondo, a pair of aces, Björnsigen Panzer, and Kastira Riceheart. Okay, we take that too. Abgeliefert Baldraching, Super Producer, XC-Angleichung, and Kastira Urknall. So, 5 packs are left as far as I can see. So I'll take the display aside. Much more room now. Ein Kastira Überlappung, bedrohliche Summonit, markiert wieder von, Nummernschöpfung und Ewigischke Niremanas. Strange name. Basaltris, de Baldraching, Meteorsturz und Lichter markierten. Kreis der Fing, Gischke Nekrospiegel, Feuerfrei, Diabolantis and Dogmatica Alvasoa. Oh, that looks cool. That looks cool. That's finally artwork, you know, I can live with. Very nice. Love these artworks. Absolutely. Super Producer, this pretty broken thing, Galaxie 100 and Hülle des Chaos again. A pair of aces, Photon Zeitstopp, Wilder Tiger Mungo, Schreckensklaue Stierer and the Green Ninja. Okay. Green Ninja. Kastiroknall, Mina Yiruka, and the Monocroid. Kastirewalapung, Gishkinigruspiegel, Yakunomaru, Diabolantis, and Lauandis Sea. Alright. Oh, that's level 7. Alright. Mentalempfänger, Acer Manifestation, Lichtmarkierten, and again the Shell of Chaos again. Last pack. Last chance for the Xyz Generaider one. Hopefully it is in here. Photon Zeitstopp, Feuerfleisch Springens, Vala is in here. Okay. Chaos Sinistertäuschung. Oh, sadly. It's Kardan, der Hellsichtige. But I also need this one for a deck. So I take it too. Zari, Chaos Yugioh, Tenji Kaimei, and Schrecken's Clown Krallenzin. Alright, well, we got a beautiful playset of Vala, the best supporter for any Generaider deck. Very nice. And also 2 other cards I need for a different deck. Yeah, overall, I'm very happy with it. As always, you can find all the cards at my Cardmarket account. Most of the stuff I don't need. I just open the things because I love to open packs. Anyway, thanks again very much for watching, and until next time, goodbye.